Hey, it's Anissa, and today we have for you an amazing deal on this extra large cooling gel pad. Now these sell for as much as $80. This particular one was on sale on Amazon for $40, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. Now we sold a similar, very small one that was about 12 inches by 12 inches. This one is 35 inches by just about 20 inches, and it's almost the same price. Now I have to share with you why you're getting such a great deal. We've got two different labeled versions of this. It's the exact same mat, but one says for pets and one simply states the extra large cooling pad. Let me reiterate, they are both the exact same mat. Now this is an Amazon Basic, and we bought all they had. Now this is an amazing mat that gives you instant cooling. So it's great for anyone who suffers from hot flashes, if you have sore muscles, swelling. Now how it works is when pressure is applied, it absorbs the heat and radiates it away from you, and then the gel inside gives you instant cooling relief. Now another great thing is this is portable. You can fold it up and you can take it with you. Use it on your car seat, use it outside while you're lounging by the pool. And remember, your furry friend loves these. When they're outside, they can get overheated. They will come and lay on this and love it. That's why you should buy multiple of these. Plus, our super low price gets you multiple of these for way less than what you would pay on Amazon. But our quantities are limited, so head on over to the site and grab one or two today.